First, let us measure Hall sensor resistance. The resistance of third and fourth is 18 kilo ohms, which is normal. Resistance between VCC and Hall sensor is about 9 kilo ohms. As resistance for Hall sensor A and B is 9 kilo ohms, Hall sensor is normal. Next is stator. If resistance between each terminal is 10 ohms, it is normal. As resistance between U and W is 15 ohms, U and V is 15 ohms, V and W is 15 ohms, stator is not defective. Let us check if motor line is connected. Look at the yellow line among lines to stator. The yellow wire is 0 ohm, which shows connection. Next is red wire. It is also normal. Then, let us look at the blue wire. The blue wire is disconnected. Therefore, the motor cannot turn and LE error occurred. We will replace it with a new harness. And connect the Hall sensor. We connected the Hall sensor and motor connector and placed the connector water. After repair, check the operation.